In the Adhikara of Karake, which runs from 1423 down to 1455, the Anuvritti of Sampradanam runs down from 1432 down to 1441. We already studied 1432 and 1433. Let us now take 1435, which reads Dharer Uttamar Naha. The Padacheda is Dharehe Uttamarnaha. The Vritti says Dharayatehe prayoge Uttamarnaha Sampradana Sanyasyat, which means when a causative form of the verbal root dhru, which in Dhatupata is dhrung avasthane from the Tudadiganaha, is employed, that karakam, participant in the action, who is the creditor, gets the designation Sampradanam, the recipient. The creditor is the one who has loaned the money, is the owner of the money. The note here says Uttamarano Dhana Swami. Uttamaranaha refers to one who is a creditor, the owner of the money, the one who lends the money, the one who is owed the money. The sutram says Dharehe. That Dharehe is Shashti Ekvachanam of Dhari, which is the causative form. That results by adding the causative affix nich by 3126 hetumaticha, the verbal root dhru. Okay, the example here is from the Siddhanta Kaumudi. It's an interesting example. It says Bhaktaya dharayati moksham harihi. Lord Vishnu owes liberation to the devotee. So Bhakta gets the designation of Sampradanam by this Sutram 1435 because he's the one who is owed something, and hence Bhakta takes the fourth case affix by 2313 Chaturthi Sampradane. Now how can moksha be something which is owed? How can that be a debt? The note says here Mokshopyavashya deyatvena hरणम bhavati. Liberation is also considered a debt in the sense that it has to be given to the devotee. It's an interesting example. Illustrates the point that the debt doesn't have to be money. It could be anything that is owed to someone. Now, why does the sutram say Uttamarnaha? Uttamarnaha kim? Devadattaya shatam dharayati grame. Someone owes 100 to Devadatta in the village. The one being owed is Devadatta and not the village. So even though a causative form of the verbal root dhru has been used, grammar does not get a sampradana sanya because the village is not being owed. The village is not the creditor. Hence Devadatta alone gets the designation sampradanam because he is the one who is owed. He is the creditor. And grammar does not get the sampradana sanya. So that is why the sutram says Uttamarnaha. So it's not enough that a causative form of the verbal root dhru be used, but we should check who is the one who is being owed, who is the creditor. Only that karakam gets the sampradana sanya by this sutram 1435.